Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm Scarlett.
And I'm Johnny.
And we operate the Rock Adventure Cruise here in the Bay of Islands in New Zealand. And don't know about you guys, but as a family and as someone who runs a cruise, we've been going through a few changes thanks to COVID-19. Bit different. And there's been some lovely changes. We've had a lot of time together at home as a family, and there's been some more challenging changes. So for us, we haven't been cruising since the middle of March, and we're not sure exactly when we'll get back to cruising.
Soon. Very soon.
Just that we know that we want to. So we've really been missing all our favourite bits of the cruise.
Snorkeling for me.
You've been missing the snorkeling?
I just want to get back in the water.
Yeah. What are you missing?
I like telling stories around the fire and eating marshmallows.
The sugar, of course, the sugar, right?
Sugar high.
Awesome. And I really still miss, even after all these years, I miss going night kayaking out in the phosphorescence. And we want to get back on the water with our loved ones and the friends that we make when we're out there. And so we're reaching out to ask for help. Which is not our normal, no, we're normally pretty self-sufficient. So we're leaning into the uncomfortable, as I would say, and because we want to give the Rock another 20 great years. She's
So
had
20 already?
20 fantastic years sharing the Bay of Islands with you all, and we want to give her another 20. And so we have created some great gift vouchers at great rates, and that are also super flexible to allow for this time. So they mean you can book now, so grab yourself a gift voucher now and travel right out until the end of 2023. Change your dates as often as you would like.
You won't be able to hold out that long, I'm sure.
So really, if you or someone you know or love and you want them to have an amazing experience in the Bay of Islands, we would love it if you would share this with them, so that you can come out and join us, or your friend or family member can come out and join us here in the Bay of Islands in the coming years. We're pretty sure you'll be allowed to come back way sooner than that, but we want to make it as easy as possible for you to come and join us. So we're asking if you could grab a gift voucher for you, or gift one.
Gift the cabin to a family or a friend, yeah.
Family or friend. Maybe you've got some team members that have gone above and beyond during this pandemic that you want to give a treat to, or
Get the team at work together.
Get the team at work together, bring them out. School groups, you were saying, Scarlett, come out with their school group.
A school trip?
Yeah, come see us for a school trip. We'd love to have you. And if it's not something that you want to come on any time soon, we'd love it if you could share it with people who you think might come to the Bay of Islands, either from here in New Zealand or from further abroad in the coming months and years. So thank you so much for all your support so far online, or your engagement, or your love on our wee videos that we've been posting, and we look forward to getting out on the water with you all real soon. Take care and have a wonderful day wherever you might be.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Thanks.